Testing is absolutely critical for this car, mostly because we haven't actually all done this concept of layout before.
Testing is our way of putting the car through its paces and understanding what's going to happen when we go racing.
Missing Silverstone and Spa is very upsetting, but the car is actually designed for Le Mans.
Aerodynamically, the baseline setup is the Le Mans setup. The side of the car the driver sits on is based on which side he gets out in the pit lane at Le Mans. Every aspect where there's a choice, we've made it based on doing well at Le Mans.
This is unique in Le Mans history that outright honours have been attempted via front-wheel drive. They can't just look at how somebody else did it. We're having to dream it up ourselves and make it competitive against the best in the world. The Gtr LM Nismo was actually conceived in the virtual world. We were predicting lap time based on all of the parameters that get fed into a lap time simulation, so tyres, the weight distribution, the aero, and the aero itself was done in CFD, computational fluid dynamics. So the computing side, predicting performance, is very powerful and something that has come on enormously.
We are literally starting from scratch. There's a number of things that we just have no baseline.
We really are doing something new and different, and a lot of people don't think it's going to work.
Track testing is the nearest thing to racing.
We've selected racetracks that give us the most representative duty cycle.
There's a new track here in the US, and it has been designed and built to be the best replication of Le Mans that can be fit in a sensible sized track. That's where you put it all together and see how the car works as a complete system.
Testing does throw up a lot of new and unexpected challenges. It's all about how we recover from those. Crash testing is one of the most important and relevant racing upgrades that the FIA have brought.
We came here with the FIA to conduct the crash test. We started with the front roll hoop test. The front roll hoop is like a big bridge, and we have to press down in the middle of it. And we put about 8 tons of load on that, and it failed pretty catastrophically. We had to basically leave the test facility and come back and do it again. We now know much more about the structure. In all engineering, it's the failures that teach you the most. The Le Mans race has its own special requirements, seeing as it's such a brutal race. The speeds are very high. The drivers race in the night. Everyone's tired. There's different skill levels on track. It's always easy to get in trouble at the Le Mans race.
We're working our hearts out, and we've got a very tight team.
Nissan is going to learn from it. The world is going to watch us work on it and make it better.
The car's really starting to come together now. If we get it together, I think we'll have a really remarkable result.